What's going on, everybody? It's KZ here from Wavy Profits, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the affiliate ClickFunnels badge on your funnel. I know that this can get kind of annoying. You want it to look a little bit more professional, and this is a very easy thing to do. So let's dive into my computer right now, pull this up. So as you can see, I've got my main opt-in page right now. I've actually removed the badge. So all we're going to do right here is we're just going to click on settings, and then we're going to click on general. And now you see affiliate badge. Yours will most likely say show, and then you just click hide. And so one thing that I encourage for all of you is make sure you go to all of your opt-in pages on your funnel or your sales page, and you do this on every single page, because this is only going to trigger it for the specific page that you remove it. So I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about ClickFunnels or affiliate marketing or all of the above, feel free to drop a comment below. I am making a lot of videos to help y'all learn the things that I struggle with on this channel, so be sure to hit me with subscribe. And if you're just like me and you want to create passive income online, be sure to click the link in the description. I've got my #1 way of creating passive income online to help you do the exact same. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing day. And as always, it's Wavy. See ya.